yun yung afterwards. Right? So, first, for our guidance service, the inventory, we have the objective to gather and maintain accurate student career profile and records. For the program itself, we have here profiling and record keeping system. Alright? Next po. Sa ating information, objective, provide broad overview of various career path, industry to help students. Second objective, disseminate concise, visually appealing information. And then third, offer a personal in-depth perspective. And for the last objective, equip individuals with the tools and strategies. So let's proceed with the programs. For the programs, we have here career orientation, the first one. The second one is career brochure and social media, okay, or PubMat. And then third is career talks. We're familiar with that. And last one is seminar. Okay? And for follow-up, our objective is to provide learners aftercare. Okay? And then for our program, in our school, in Bacolasi, in Navotas po, we have the program Bacolasi Connect. Okay? This is initiated by Ma'am Riza po. Ayan, yung Sarah. Ayan, so siya po yung nag-initiate ng program Bacolasi Connect, which is a program that the students could use online and offline po doon sa school. Kung nahihiya yung student, pwede siyang mag-online. Kung siya naman ay okay naman kumausap ng teacher, pwede naman siyang pumunta sa guidance face-to-face. Okay? And for the next one is placement. I'll read the objective. Understand the importance of choosing the right career. Next is relate in real-world scenario. Third, apply learned activities. And for our program here po is obviously the program of the all schools is the work immersion for the placement. Alright. Next po.